Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Great.
So, you coming from a party or what?
I'm going to the, do you know the Hype House?
You're going to the Hype House?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know the Hype House.
Cool.
Are you like, you're not in the Hype House, are you?
Yeah.
You're in the, oh, I'm sorry, I'll try not to be starstruck, but like, that's crazy.
Thank you.
So, how many followers do you have?
Can you be faster, please?
What?
Can you be faster, please?
Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, well, do anything you want. I mean, you're the boss. You literally, I watch your guys' videos.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Oh my god, are you making content right now?
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's crazy. Well, I'll be in a video if you want me to.
No.
Why not?
How many followers do you have on TikTok?
I don't have a TikTok, but I watch. I'm one of your fans.
Okay. No, I need people that have followers so I can tag them so I can get more followers.
So you don't really care about your fans? Is that what you're saying?
Some of them, if they give me stuff.
Well, what do you want?
I have an Amazon wish list.
You have an Amazon wish list, so you just care about money then? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
You know, I don't think your mother raised you right. Because there's more to life than, I mean,
I'm paying for your Uber, and
people like me are the ones who support your life. Like,
I know.
you should really.
I'm supporting you by giving you money for this ride.
I know, but I literally said, like, you saw how excited I was.
Don't worry, I gave you $20 tip. So keep driving.
You know what? You're just a lousy, selfish influencer. I'm gonna kick you out.
What do you mean?
You can order another Uber driver who.
No, I don't want to. I'm already in this Uber.
Your money's no good here.
What do you mean?
Your money's no good here.
Why are you being such a brat?
I just canceled the ride. You can get out and walk.
You can't cancel the ride because you're in the middle of this ride.
Welcome to reality. Okay? You need to be nice to people, so get out.
I don't care. I will give you a big tip.
I don't care. I don't care about your money. I don't care you're in the Hype House. I don't care about your followers. Get out and walk.
You're being such a butthole right now.
You need to get out. You can't even cuss because all you care about is monetization, huh? Just get out.
You know what? I can't believe you. You're being ridiculous. I'm literally going to report it to Lyft. I'm going to call them. I'm going to tell them who I am. And then they're going to get your account deleted.
They don't care. They don't care.
Oh, you don't want that?
They don't care who you are.
You know the people that I know?
Who do you know?
I know a lot of people on Lyft, like in the company.
Okay, I don't care. Just get out. I'm going to call the cops if you don't get out of my car.
You'll never have enough followers.
Don't slam the door on your way out. Hello, for Uber?
Hi, yeah.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, what's the name? What's the name?
What's my name? Who are you here for?
Yes, say my name. Can you say my name?
Can you say my name?
Or can you say your name so I know the right passenger?
Well, I want to make sure you have the right passenger also, so I don't get like hurt or anything.
No.
Who are you here for?
You can check the license plate. I need to know your name.
Yeah, but I'd rather the name. People can switch license plates. What's your name? Say my name.
You know my car. You know my license plate. I don't know who you are, so I need to make sure I have the correct passenger.
I mean, why would I just get in a random car? Say my name.
It's not a random car because it literally says the car on the app.
Yeah, but I don't trust the app. So can you say my name?
So why would you trust my name if you don't trust the app?
Because you're a human with a name.
Okay,
you were given a name at birth.
There's a make and model and my license plate, and I don't know your name, so you could literally be anybody.
Yeah, but why would a random human just get in your car for absolutely no reason?
Maybe they want to scam you for a free ride. Maybe they want to.
Yeah, but why would they be going to the same place that I chose? So you need to say my name.
No. You need to say my name.
No, you need to say my name.
Say my name.
Say my name.
Say my name. Say my name.
Say my name.
Say my name.
Say my name.
What's my name?
Say my name.
Okay, we're not doing this. I'm done. You're probably gonna. You want to do it on the count of 3?
All right.
Okay.
1,
2, 3.
Say Heisman. My name.
What? Is your name Heisman? Hello, did you order an Uber?
Yes.
Hi, get in. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good. You know, I'm gonna just say right off the bat, you're one of the most attractive Uber passengers I've ever had.
Thank you.
So what's your name?
Elizabeth.
Okay, that's a pretty name. You ever call, can I call you Liz?
Sure.
So Liz, tell me about yourself. How old are you? You're over 18, right? I just gotta check.
Yeah.
It's the law, you know. So, are you texting somebody or what?
Yeah.
You know, you can text. You know, we can pull over and you can text if you. I know some people get car sick. You know, I actually live right around the corner. You know, we can just head back to my place and you can text there. How about that?
No, I'm good. I want to go to the actual ride that I paid for.
I know, but you got to text, so don't worry. I don't want you to get car sick and throw up.
I don't have to text.
I mean, I'm gonna be honest. I wouldn't mind if you threw up in my car. It would be a privilege. And I wouldn't even clean it. I would just let it sit there and I'd smell it. Hey, what did you just do?
I think I have to cancel this ride.
You just canceled the ride?
Yeah, I did. Can you
You know what?
pull over right here?
I'll take you for free. I'll take you for free. Don't worry about it.
I think it'd be great.
Don't worry about it.
Pull over. I'm gonna call the cops if you don't stop. I'm calling the cops if you don't stop and you let me get out of here right now.
Are you serious?
I'm serious right now.
We're having fun. We're friends.
No, we're not having fun. You're weird.
We're literally joking around.
No, I'm not gonna.
The whole thing was a joke. Are you serious?
It's not a joke. I'm sorry.
I'm pranking you.
No, I'm not gonna do that.
I'm literally filming it. So you're on a prank show.
I don't care.
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious. Can you just pull over, please?
Oh my gosh. Girls are so insecure, I
don't
swear. Just get out. You'll never find a man